Hi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about house activities and cleaning. You can subscribe and hit the bell icon for future videos. Let's get started. To clean the windows. To sweep the floor. To scrub the floor. To mop the floor. To vacuum the carpet. To dust. To take out the trash. To clean up. To go to the store. To clean the bathroom. To set the table. To clear the table. To do the dishes. To dry the dishes. To load the dishwasher. To unload the dishwasher. To do the laundry. To hang clothes. To do the ironing. To fold clothes. To make the bed. To change the sheets. To water the plants. To wash the car. To feed the pets. Laundry and cleaning. Washing machine. Tumble dryer. Laundry basket. Laundry detergent. Clothesline. Drying clip. Iron. Ironing board. Bucket. Mop. Dishwashing liquid. Scouring pad. Sponge. Cloth. Duster. Polish. Cleaning fluid. Bleach. Vacuum cleaner. Dustpan. Brush. Broom. Recycling bin. Garbage bag. Rubber gloves. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. I really appreciate your support. If you liked this video, share it with your friends.